Bye-bye.
He's out to sea.
I can see that.
What are you guys doing?
Whoa. 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 Look at these waves.
In the yaks and the floats. We've had some crazy waves.
Waves. Waves. Waves. Waves. There's most likely a bee's nest in this brick wall. Yep, there's a bee crawling on there, so there's most likely a bee. Yep, there's a bee's nest in there. Hey, look I found the slinky. Yep, bees crawling into a crack. Look at these waves. Look at these waves coming in. Look at these waves.
Makes a water.
Looks like that boat's all done racing around the pond today. Looks like that boat's all done racing around the pond today. A lot of music, huh? Now I have the beach to myself. I have the beach to myself now. See, look it. I have the whole beach to myself now, which makes me happy. I'm here by myself. See? I'm here by myself. Yep, I'm here by myself. Have this whole place to myself. Have this whole place to myself. Yep, get to relax and have a good time.